The uQualio platform used as a technical support tool. Do you want to reduce the cost of giving technical support and answering frequently asked questions to your products? Do your customers and employees know the full application of your products so they can use its full potential, or would it be useful to train them further? And maybe you already have or have considered using digital work instruction on how to assemble and change spare parts. Why not use video e-learning? On the uQualio platform, you can turn your new and existing technical and support videos into e-learning. By making a video channel for your technical support on the uQualio platform, you can make your material on demand available 24/7 for your customers and employees in 11 languages, and remember to ask for new ones if relevant. Video viewers retain 95% of the message when they watch it in a video compared to 10% when reading it. Videos make it easy to leave a lot of impression and contribute to the customer's overall impression of your company as well as your products and/or solutions. So video can easily ensure that everyone knows how to apply your product best. On the uQualio platform, you can either let your video courses and material be publicly available or by invitation only. By invitation allows you to know who visited your channel, and that makes it possible to recontact them, for instance with product updates or new training material. The benefit of using video is that they can be paused and started as you please. For videos used in technical guidance, this is a bonus because your training becomes on demand and can be used as a digital reference work, and that gives your partners more flexibility. The final test verifies that your customers and employees understand the most important parts of your product, and that way you know if people understood your material. And they get a badge to prove it. The badge can be used to promote your good service and good product. So using the uQualio platform can teach your customers about your brand, create user engagement, brand ambassadors through badges, and you can see the result on your bottom line. Additionally, the platform also allows you to get feedback on your product, the support and training material. Aberdeen Group claims that companies that use video content as part of their marketing grows 49% faster than companies that don't. So imagine what technical video e-learning can do for your customer satisfaction.